NBC4 News at 11 a.m.
COVID cases are spiking across the country this holiday week, and as we count down to Christmas, there's now a big push here in Southern California to get more people vaccinated and boosted. And LA Unified and the Rams are teaming up to help out with that. Good morning, everybody. I'm Michael Brownlee. NBC4's Lauren Coronado live at Audubon Middle School in Lamar Park to show us how. Lauren, good morning.
Good morning. It's high energy out here. The push to get more people vaccinated underway right now at this vaccination clinic. And I want to show you what else is happening. There's also a football clinic. So organizers are really doing their best to keep things fun and convenient. But a sobering reminder this morning, this vaccination clinic comes as LA County reports 3,000 new COVID-19 cases for the third day in a row after months of far fewer totals. 743 people are now hospitalized with COVID-19 complications, 180 of those patients in the ICU, and 9 more people have unfortunately died because of the virus. Now joining me live to offer greater perspective on the current situation here in LA County is the Chief Medical Officer of LA Care. Talk to us a little bit more about the trajectory here in LA County.
Well, right now we are seeing the beginning of the winter surge. Cases are going up and hospitalizations going up. So our message to everybody is, if you're not vaccinated, vaccination is the best tool that we have. So if you're not vaccinated, get vaccinated as soon as possible and get your booster as soon as you're eligible for the booster.
Thank you, Doctor. I appreciate it. And they're also partnered with HealthNet and the LA Rams. In fact, joining me live, a very special guest, Roland Williams, Super Bowl champion. How are you doing today?
I'm doing spectacular.
Oh, my God. And look at all of that bling. Uh-oh, you're blinding us now.
No bling. Well, something I learned during a game of football is that nothing happens great without teamwork. And I'm so grateful for the Rams and LA Care and HealthNet coming together to make a difference. Let's get vaccinated. It's so important.
Yeah, and talk to me about the importance and the motivation behind coming to a neighborhood like this one.
You know, I grew up in a neighborhood similar to this, and I think it's so important that all of us come from wherever we are to converge, to communicate clearly that these students need to get vaccinated and their families to help us be all healthier.
Thank you so much. I appreciate it. I know a lot of these kiddos were really excited to see him. A lot of them getting their vaccines today, and the event is still open for the next half hour. Reporting live in Lamar Park, Lauren Coronado, NBC4 News.
All right, Lauren, high energy indeed. Thank you for that.
Today in LA at 5 starts now.
Surging COVID cases and the new Omicron variant are causing some major disruptions from coast to coast.
You know, events have been canceled and others are going virtual. Now there's a renewed push to get people vaccinated. NBC4's Lauren Coronado is live at Audubon Middle School in Lamar Park, where a vaccination event will be held later today. Lauren, good morning.
Michelle, Daniela, the county really hoping events like this one encourages the public to get vaccinated, especially ahead of the holidays. The Rams are partnering with LA Unified School District, HealthNet, and LA Care to host a COVID-19 vaccination event here at Audubon Middle School. The agencies say they're working to drive vaccine equity in some of the neighborhoods hardest hit by the pandemic. Students and their families can expect a fun football clinic, food, and a special appearance from Super Bowl champion Roland Williams. The vaccination clinic comes as LA County reports 3,000 new COVID-19 cases for the third day in a row after months of far fewer totals. We know 743 people are now hospitalized with complications from the virus, 180 of those patients in the ICU. The county really working to slow the spread between vaccination events like the one expected this morning and stricter COVID-19 public health orders around testing and mask wearing. We know some large events have been scaled back too. Grand Park's New Year's Eve LA Countdown will no longer have a live audience as planned. Organizers made the announcement last night, pointing at the recent uptick in COVID-19 cases. The event will still be broadcasted and streamed on YouTube as planned. Meanwhile, students and staff are preparing for this vaccination clinic in Lamar Park, which is expected to kick off a little bit closer to 9 o'clock this morning. We know children between the ages of 12 and 17 who can't be here with their parents can bring a consent form. You can find that form on the LAUSD website. Reporting live in Lamar Park, I'm Lauren Coronado for NBC4.